Hello and welcome. It's great to have you here. Today, we're exploring the Hisense 5X Series auto-dosing washing machine, model WF5S1045BW. This is a freestanding washing machine in a clean white finish, offering a large 10.5 kg drum, a 1/400 spin speed, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a wide set of modern features. Let's take a closer look. From the outside, the design is sleek and practical. The machine measures 84.5 cm in height, 59.5 cm in width, and 61 cm in depth, making it suitable for most standard kitchen and utility room spaces. It weighs about 69 kg, giving it a solid and stable build. Inside, the drum holds up to 10.5 kg of laundry. That's a generous capacity, ideal for large households or for handling bulky items such as bedding and duvets. The drum is made from durable stainless steel and is powered by the inverter power drive motor, which is designed for efficiency, smoother performance, and reduced vibration. One of the most convenient features is its auto-dosing system. You can fill the detergent compartment once, and the machine will automatically dispense the right amount of detergent and softener for each load. A single fill can last for up to 24 washes, so you don't have to measure and refill each time. Spin speed reaches up to 1/400 revolutions per minute, helping to remove more water from fabrics at the end of each cycle. Its spin performance is rated at Class B. Noise levels are carefully managed too, reaching 72 decibels during spinning, which places it in acoustic Class A for quiet operation. In terms of efficiency, the machine carries an air energy rating on the standard Eco 4060 program. It uses about 0.52 kWh per cycle and around 41 liters of water, balancing power with resource use. Control is simple and clear, with a rotary dial, touch buttons, and a large LED display that shows program details, temperature, spin speed, and time remaining. You can also get a delay start function to plan washes up to 24 hours in advance, a pause and add feature to include forgotten items mid-cycle, a favorite programming setting which saves your most used options for quick access. Connectivity is built in through Wi-Fi, working with the Hisense Connect Live app. This allows you to control and monitor the washing machine remotely, start or stop cycles from your phone, and even explore tailored washing options through the app. Where this washing machine really shines is in its programs and functions. There are 19 programs in total, covering everything from daily essentials to specialist care. You'll find standard cycles such as cotton, synthetics, and mix, as well as fabric and delicate for more fragile fabrics. For busy days, there are quick options like the 15-minute wash and a 20-degree cycle for lighter loads. Specialist options include baby care, which uses thorough rinsing and higher temperatures, a sportswear program designed for modern fabrics, and a duvet program for bedding. There's also a drum clean cycle to maintain the interior, and a steam refresh function which uses steam to reduce odors and creases in lightly worn clothes without running a full wash. Supporting these cycles are intelligent sensors that adjust water, detergent, and cycle length based on the load. Pump control and load balancing technology ensure smooth operation, while built-in overflow protection and a child lock add safety. Altogether, the Hisense 5X Series WF5S1045BW combines a large capacity, advanced auto-dosing, smart connectivity, and a comprehensive set of programs that adapt to different laundry needs. Thoughtful features and a strong build is particularly well suited to families, shared households, or anyone who needs a reliable machine for frequent heavy loads. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.